What is an electrical audit and how does it protect your plant? An electrical audit is a systematic inspection of your entire power system to prevent electrical fires, equipment failures, and energy loss. Auditors inspect 5 key areas: substations and switchgear, checking transformer oil, VCBs, and breaker health; thermal imaging, scanning bus bars and panel joints for hidden hotspots; earthing and lightning protection, measuring earth pit resistance for human safety; protection relay calibration, testing trip timing under fault conditions; power quality and cable loading, checking voltage sag, harmonics, and cable heat. Audit today, protect your factory tomorrow.
Is your factory facing frequent electrical tripping? Or are you getting unusually high electricity bills? The solution lies in a proper electrical safety audit. An electrical audit is a comprehensive health check of your power system that prevents electrical fires, equipment damage, and energy waste. A complete audit covers 5 critical inspections. 1. Substation and switchgear thermography, using thermal imaging cameras to detect busbar, VCB, and panel hot.